Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can trim your videos before adding it to your CapCut project. So press the new project button over here and select a video you want to trim. I'm just going to select this, and then you are just going to press the trim button over here. And you can trim the video. You can select, for instance, you only want 3 seconds. You're just going to select this part, press the check mark button, and then you can also add in another video, for instance, this one. Select it and then press trim. And then you are just going to trim the video. For instance, you only want 3 seconds. And you can do that. Press the checkmark button and then press add. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!